The United States of America, a nation built on the ideals of democracy and unity, finds itself increasingly fractured. Political divisions run deep, fueled by partisan media and a climate of distrust. In this charged atmosphere, a new battleground has emerged. The lawsuit filed by 14 attorneys general against tech mogul Elon Musk. Musk, known for his ambitious ventures with Tesla and SpaceX, has recently turned his attention to the realm of government efficiency. Tasked by President Trump with investigating fraud and waste in federal spending, Musk has become a lightning rod for controversy. His critics, including the attorneys general who filed the lawsuit, argue that Musk operates with unchecked power and lacks the necessary experience for such a sensitive role. They see his involvement as a dangerous overreach of private influence into the public sphere. This lawsuit is not merely a legal battle, it is a microcosm of the larger political struggle gripping the nation. It is a clash between those who believe in a strong central government and those who advocate for limited government intervention. It is a fight over the very soul of American democracy. The 2024 presidential election, a bitter and divisive contest, left an indelible mark on the American psyche. Donald Trump, defying polls and predictions, secured a second term in office. His victory, however, was marred by allegations of voter fraud and irregularities, casting a long shadow over his presidency. The election exposed the deep polarization that had been festering for years. Urban versus rural, liberal versus conservative, the nation seemed irrevocably split. Trump's supporters hailed him as a champion of the people, a disruptor of the status quo. His detractors viewed him as a threat to democracy, an authoritarian figure who eroded democratic norms. The contested election and its aftermath set the stage for the current political climate. The lawsuit against Elon Musk is just one manifestation of the deep-seated divisions that continue to plague the nation. Elon Musk, the enigmatic entrepreneur known for his bold pronouncements and even bolder ventures, has become a controversial figure in American society. His supporters see him as a visionary, a captain of industry who pushes the boundaries of innovation. His critics view him as a reckless self-promoter, a billionaire who plays fast and loose with the rules. Musk's foray into the world of government efficiency began with a characteristically audacious move. He publicly challenged the effectiveness of various government agencies, claiming he could do a better job for a fraction of the cost. President Trump, never one to shy away from unconventional approaches, saw an opportunity in Musk's bravado. He tapped Musk to lead an initiative aimed at rooting out waste and fraud in government spending. Musk, armed with his tech expertise and a mandate to shake things up, quickly became a target for those who felt threatened by his disruptive presence. Section 4. The Attorneys General Strike Back. A lawsuit challenging Musk's authority. The lawsuit filed by the 14 Attorneys General represents a significant escalation in the battle over Elon Musk's role in government. These Attorneys General, representing predominantly blue states, argue that Musk's appointment is unconstitutional and poses a threat to the balance of power. They contend that President Trump overstepped his authority by granting Musk such broad powers without congressional oversight. They also express concerns about Musk's lack of experience in government and his potential conflicts of interest due to his vast business holdings. The lawsuit seeks to curtail Musk's authority and subject his actions to greater scrutiny. It is a direct challenge to President Trump's agenda and a reflection of potential distrust between the executive and members of state judicial branches. Section 5. Judge Tanya Chutkan, a history of controversial rulings. The lawsuit against Elon Musk has been assigned to Judge Tanya Chutkan, a judge known for her sharp intellect and her willingness to challenge the powerful. Judge Chutkan, appointed to the federal bench by President Obama, has a reputation for being fair but firm, a stickler for the law who does not shy away from making tough decisions. Her history of rulings, however, has made her a target of criticism from some quarters. Conservative commentators have argued that she is biased against President Trump and his allies, pointing to several high-profile cases where she ruled against the administration. Judge Chutkan's involvement in the Musk case has added another layer of complexity to an already contentious situation. Her rulings are likely to be scrutinized and debated by both sides of the political divide. Section 7. Seeking Truth in a Divided World. The Importance of Media Literacy. In today's fragmented media landscape, where information spreads at lightning speed and misinformation often masquerades as truth, it is more important than ever to be discerning consumers of news. The lawsuit against Elon Musk, like many issues that dominate our national discourse, has become a Rorschach test, with different outlets presenting vastly different narratives depending on their political leanings. To navigate this treacherous terrain, media literacy is essential. We must be willing to venture beyond our own echo chambers and engage with a variety of sources, even those with which we may disagree. We must learn to identify bias, both explicit and implicit, and to evaluate the credibility of sources. The truth, as they say, is out there. But finding it requires effort, critical thinking, and a healthy dose of skepticism. We cannot afford to be passive consumers of information. Our democracy depends on it.